What's going on, guys? It's your boy Lenny. We're here with the Accord. You guys already know Alex wanted to go do some video work, so we're about to start up the car and head over, get some rollers possibly. They have 2 cameras and a gimbal, so they're doing all the hard work today, and I am just kicking back and relaxing. So yeah, let's get today started. I have an hour to shoot, so hopefully we get some really nice shots, and rollers are a thing. Oof. Also, yeah, so if you heard that properly, which I hope you did, car is having an issue right now, and I think it's exhaust. So damn, that's like a daily occurrence, I swear. But yeah, so exhaust, one of the hangers snapped off where they welded it, and it's all rusted and it's leaking. So now I have a little exhaust leak. It's pretty close to the back still, so that's not that bad. It's where like the original muffler would have been anyway. So it's like a little joint that they had welded on, and then I don't know why it didn't hold. They didn't do a good job welding, I guess, but everything else seems fine. So yeah, the car just sounds weird right now. It doesn't have the full like raspy tone, I guess, the trumpety portion, but it still sounds all right. It just sounds kind of weird. But yeah, guys, I don't know where they are. I told them to meet me out here by the car, and they live like right there, so yeah, I don't know, but I will catch you guys as soon as they get here. Yo guys, so we're in the car with Alex right now. He's filming on his G7 with the same lens that you guys are on right now. Also, his buddy here is right behind us in the Pilot. So that's pretty lit. We're gonna go take some roller shots, hopefully, and then yeah, they've got the Ronin 2 gimbals actually, so a Xenon crane as well. So that's pretty dope. Are you filming me filming the vlog? That's lit. But yeah, so we're just gonna go head over downtown, back to that one spot that you guys saw in the last video, see if we can get way smoother shots. And it's kind of overcast today, so it'll look different definitely, because it won't have all that sun. But I think it'll be way better for the car because, whew, damn, I'm playing loud ass music. But yeah, it'll look better for the car. I think it'll make it look a little more even in terms of lighting. So yeah, let's get going over there, and I'll catch you guys there. Oh fuck, you guys got caught on one of the little trees out of my little forest. Yo, we are here. They've got the cameras all set up, ready to film. Car set up right there. Woo! Looking good as always. My hair's a mess as always. So yeah, guys, yeah, make sure you go subscribe to Alex. Do you have a channel too, man? No? So go subscribe to Alex.
We're working together, basically.
Yeah, for sure. So yeah, we're just gonna get some shots and then maybe go do some rollers. Yo!
Look what they're doing. Just patrol.
Whoa, check it out. Remember this lens, guys? Wow. That's a throwback right there. That's when I first got this actual GH5 actually, so that's pretty cool. Got the gimbal. I really like this G7. I like the color of it. It's definitely different from the black. It's got that nice, like, it's almost iridescent, those dials, so that's pretty awesome. Like I said, I am just sitting back and relaxing while these guys do all the hard work. But they enjoy it just as much as I do. If I had a Ronin, I'd be going at it too. But right now I don't, so we're just chilling out. I love this area, by the way, guys. This is a great spot. Let's turn that a little bit. Yeah. That's the Hotel Bellwether right there. And of course the car. So yeah, guys. Beautiful day too. It was supposed to rain today. I'm not exactly certain what happened to that, but I am glad it's not raining. That's for sure. What is it, time for interior shots? With the super long lens. Gotta stand like all the way back here to fucking get that shot. That's funny.
That's what Alex was doing before I gave him
I know. He shot this car with that lens. That's so funny. Yeah. Needs a clean though. I need to wash my wheels. This must look absolutely ridiculous right now, especially since there's 3 of us filming right now. It's pretty funny. You want to use my lens?
Dad has to use their lens.
Okay, sure. Alright guys, I'm going to take a break from vlogging. They're going to use this lens, the 14 to 42, instead of that long range 40 to 100? 40 to 150? Yeah, that lens is not good for anything but photos. So yeah, I will catch you guys in a little bit. I am vlogging on the big lens and I am very far away from it right now. So I don't know if you guys can hear me over that wind, but I am here. Yeah. The camera's actually propped on the car right now. So this is for me. I don't know about you guys, but oh no! Yo guys, it seems like we chose the best possible spot to go shoot today. We just got some free sushi from this lovely lady from the Kuru right there. Look at that, it's beautiful. I'm excited, it's roller time. Let's go. Fuck yeah. They're gonna be in the Pilot. Are you gonna open up the trunk?
Dude, what the fuck? It's like forest.
Dude, like everybody drives an SUV, I swear. Bro. Look at those ones too. There's more back there.
It's fucking SUV.
Alright, so you hanging out the back? Is that what's happening?
Oh yeah, that was gonna be fun.
Did you make sure you moved everything out of your trunk?
Yeah.
Cool.
So it doesn't fall
Alrighty.
in your ass.
There's a lot of cops out, so just be careful.
That's gonna
Should
be.
we not probably do it in here?
Well, we're gonna do it on that main road. Ooh, it's starting to get windy. I hope it doesn't start raining, but God, it was raining last night. Alright, let's see if the boys are ready. Are they ready? Oh yeah, they are. Alrighty, so let's see how they're set up to go. Yeah, I'll follow you. Nice. Guys, that is so much safer than when I was doing rollers at the back. Yo guys, we are back at the apartment complex. These boys are gonna start working on the video. I'm gonna start working on homework. But yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell so you know the next time I release a video. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.